Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can link WhatsApp web with phone number. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to search for WhatsApp and click on three dots on the top right. Here you need to click on link devices and click on link a device, and here you need to click on link with phone number instead. So here you can see that this option. Now I am going to show you on the laptop screen what steps you need to do on to your laptop. So now I am on my laptop screen. Here you need to search for WhatsApp web. Open WhatsApp web. Here you need to click on link with phone number. Here you need to select your country, enter your number, and after that you simply need to click on next. So let me enter a number. So you need to copy, or you can simply select this code and paste that onto your WhatsApp on your smartphone. So here you need to enter that code here. Once you add that code, your WhatsApp is linked with your smartphone number. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.